Hi, so my name is Matt Buchanan. I'm one of the senior instructors at Technology Leadership High School, and we just got done with a presentation by Gil Davis about how to land a tech job. And the presentation was definitely of import to the students as it helps them proceed toward their transitional work and getting into adulthood. Definitely had real-world industry-related applications and specific next steps for them to take in order to land that tech job that they're all attempting to move toward. He talked about not only the specific things in terms of accreditations that they might be interested in, but also the overall kind of like holistic element of the mindsets and aptitudes and attitudes that students need to present in order to move on into that next chapter of their life and become, a contributing professional. The ability of the speaker to interact with the students was great, very responsive to questioning, definitely promoted inquiry within the discussion at the closure, and the materials were all totally age appropriate and ready for a professional atmosphere. I could see it taking place at a national laboratory or at a public high school. So it was definitely of benefit to our students who are both young adults and legal adults, and also to us as staff members to direct the work that we do with them in the future. So I would definitely recommend Gil Davis as a motivational speaker in the future, as he definitely has a way of reaching youth.
Gilbert's presentation on how to land a tech job was very helpful to our seniors who are about to graduate from high school, spent the last 4 years in learning about technology and how to apply it to the next phase of their life. And I believe that Gilbert was able to deliver that message succinctly and be able to help them feel confident about their next stage of life.